This video, I will show you how to make video as your profile avatar in Telegram. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Telegram app. So I'm going to simply click on my Telegram app right here. After you open up your Telegram app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on setting. And go ahead and click on your profile icon, camera icon here. And this is going to open up right here. You can use a pre-record video or a live video. For that, I'm going to make use of live video right here. So I'm going to click on the camera right here. Then go ahead and position the area you want to capture. Then for you to record the video, all you have to do is to simply click and hold down this icon right here to record the video. So I'm going to click and hold. Now you see the video has been successfully recorded right here. So I can adjust the video. So if you are not satisfied with the result, you can click on here to retake the video, to rotate the video as the case may be. So if you are not satisfied with the video, simply go back and retake the video. So I'm going to simply go ahead and retake the video right here. I'm going to click and hold down. So I'm going to simply go ahead and retake the video. So I'm going to go ahead and click release. I'm done with the video. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select any one of the video that was recorded right here. I have this one right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to adjust the video. So once you're satisfied with the video, you can see next thing you want to do is to click on this check mark. And then the video is going to update into your profile avatar right here. So here we go. Now you have the video being updated into your profile avatar right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.